Have you ever felt discouraged? Like no matter how hard you try, that you just can't do it, and you just wanna cry. Have you ever really struggled and couldn't figure things out, with so many questions and filled with so much doubt? Well, I'm here to tell you a special little secret. It's made just for you, and it's 100% true. You can do it, so lift your head up high. You can do it, so doubt and say goodbye. You got so much talent and strength, I see it in your eyes. You can do it, yes, it's true. You can do it. Oh, you've got so much to say every single day, so let it all come out. Your beautiful thoughts, your beautiful smile, make everyone smile without a doubt. One word at a time, one smile at a time. One glance is all it takes. You can do it, so lift your head up high. You can do it, so doubt and say goodbye. You got so much talent and strength, I see it in your eyes. You can do it, yes, it's true. You can do it. When it rains, it really pours, and it might feel like you can't take it anymore. I get it, I felt like that too, even if today was tough. Tomorrow's a fresh new day, like a brand new